Introducing the 2026 Volkswagen Tiguan RL75, a powerful and efficient SUV that's ready to take on any adventure. With only 6,700 kilometers on the clock, this sleek grey vehicle boasts a 2.0 TDI engine with 150 horsepower, making every drive a thrilling experience. Packed with comfort and safety features such as air conditioning, satellite navigation, multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind, knowing you're protected. The exterior features illuminated logo and privacy glass, giving this Tiguan a stylish edge. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and is serviced to manufacturer specification. With a comprehensive warranty included, you can trust this Tiguan to go the distance. Interested? Contact us today or visit mullingerautos.ie for more information on this incredible vehicle.